National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butler County, northern Warren County, western Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 11 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gratis, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Wilberforce, and Riverside. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 57. Now for the official National Weather.